Good morning and welcome to Crush the JFT. Ako po ay si Dice. My name is Dice and I am with the Yosuke Suzuki Nihongo Language Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. If you are a special skilled worker looking to get help passing your JFT or Japan Foundation test, be sure to check out our school at www.ysnlc.com to get details on our live classes, as well as our online sessions which we are setting up for students just like you who might not live close by but still looking to get some top-notch education in order to pass your exam. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at a sample problem from the JFT website. We'll link to that in the description box below. And we're going to be solving the problem together. Today, we're going to be looking at a problem from the Vocab section. I'm going to be showing you the tips and tricks that we teach our students here at the school to get the questions correct in as little time as possible. I'm going to show you how to understand the problem quickly, how to think about the answer that makes the most sense, and the process of elimination. And you can use this process to answer correctly even if you don't know everything. And you'll quickly understand that you really don't have to know everything. I'm also going to give you one last tip at the end of the video that might be the best one of all. You can use this when you really don't know what's going on in the problem and you don't even know where to start answering the problem. Okay, so let's get started. Here it says, read the sentence and choose the kanji word that fits most. Okay, so first things first. The instruction itself is misleading because it's telling you to read the whole sentence first. So are you really going to read the whole sentence first? Nope. Definitely not if we're not 100% confident we can read everything perfectly. We're not native. We're just learning the language. We don't know all the words. So there's no point trying to be perfect. So in this case, we have the word akaruku, which means brightly. Now, before you go any further, I just want to make sure to remind you guys watching that you're going to have to remember what this means. There's no way of getting around this, so make sure you are brushed up on your vocabulary for the test. We have a bunch of quizzes linked in the description box below for you to keep yourself refreshed and stay on top of these words. Now, we just did number 1. We've understood what we're looking for. We're looking for something that is brightly X. And now we have to find the right word. And now we come to number 2. What word makes the most sense? Is it akaruku noru, ride brightly, akaruku hikaru, shine brightly, or akaruku toru, pass by brightly? So you can see here, if we know the meaning of all 3 possible answers, we'll pretty much know what the answer is. But let's pretend we don't know the meaning of all the answers. Now, this is when we go back to the question to read more of the sentence. Now, if you've been doing your studying, you'll know that the topic or subject of a sentence usually comes first thing in Japanese. And here we see it. Tokyo Tower. Tokyo Tower ga. So we're looking at the Tokyo Tower. Now we'll read on and see Tokyo Tower ga yoku akaruku blank ite. Totemo kirei deshita. At night, Tokyo Tower is brightly something and it was very pretty. Okay, so now it's time for the last step, elimination. We start looking at the words that we know first, and then cross it out if it doesn't fit. Let's take a look. So, does Tokyo Tower ride brightly? Not really. Does it shine brightly? Possibly. So, we'll leave it there. Now, does it pass by brightly? Not really. It doesn't really move, does it? So in the end, we're left with hikaru, to shine brightly. And now here you can notice that you really didn't have to know all 3 words to get the question. If you can cross one out, you've got at least a 50-50 shot to get it right, and an even better shot if you know 2 out of 3 of these words. Okay, so in the beginning of the video, I promised one ultimate trick to use if you just have absolutely no idea what to do, right? Don't worry, I didn't forget. So when you really don't have any idea, just put a random answer and forget about it. If you really don't know, then the answer just isn't worth your time. Just find a different question that you're more familiar with and move on. Because remember, you don't have to get everything right to pass the exam. You just need enough correct answers to pass. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. If you liked the video, please be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can be updated once new videos come out. Stay tuned for our next episode where we cover some more of these kinds of problems and how we can go about solving it. For YSNLC, my name is Dice. Learn, adapt, thrive.